Local news for Thursday the 9th of August. Wings Over Wairarapa Air Festival is on the lookout for people who want to be part of the 2019 Air Festival as a volunteer, as next year marks the 20th anniversary of it. Volunteer Manager Rachel Dell says this is a unique opportunity to be part of an iconic event and an event to meet like-minded people and be part of a crew that brings the Air Festival to life. The festival currently has a volunteer base of around 230, some coming from overseas and make the trip to New Zealand specifically to volunteer. Marston and Red Star have filed a complaint regarding the recent promotion relegation match in club rugby. CEO of Wairarapa Bush, Tony Hargood, has so far refused to comment as the complaint goes through the process of being heard. The number of children learning to swim through school programs in the 2017-18 year was more than 3 times that than in previous year at the Trust House Recreation Centre. 6,940 children were enrolled in school in the Learn to Swim program compared to 2001 for the previous year. And in sport, the Dalefield men's hockey team will head to Wellington this weekend to contest the final against Hutton United. Dalefield won their last clash 3-2. And Harcourts continue to lead local netball competition despite a 41-all draw last week to Carterton.